everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dyson and I did a TJ Maxx haul today. It is going to be my December 2018 TJ Maxx haul. I do plan on doing these more often and I have done either one or two in the past. Can't really remember, but I will leave that card here in the corner just in case you want to see my last previous TJ Maxx haul. I need to make a playlist of that. But yeah, this was in 2 shopping trips. The first time I spent a little bit over $50, and then this last trip I did, which I did today, was a little bit over $80. So, but I got tons of really high, good quality makeup. So yeah, let me show you what I got. Okay, so the first time I went, I got $53.80 worth of makeup. The first one I got, it was intended on being put in a giveaway, but unfortunately I did use it. As you saw in a previous video, I did a makeup look, a glimmer teal eyeshadow look. I'll put that card here. But I used the Too Faced Life is a Festival eyeshadow palette. But yeah, this is just the box. So it was originally like a $40 eyeshadow palette, which I bought it for $24.99. And here is what the palette looks like. Like I said, it's dirty because I have been using it, but this wasn't swatched or anything when I got it at TJ Maxx. But I have been using it a lot here lately. And I must say, this is like great quality. I know it's a total mess right now, but every single shadow I have used so far, I have absolutely loved. I didn't use this one today just because I was using some of my drugstore makeup that I needed to use up. I needed to give this one a break, so I wanted to use some drugstore products. If you want to know how to recreate this eyeshadow look, I uploaded one very similar to it December 9th. It's a collaboration with VDB Beauty and Confidence. She's newer here. She's been up on YouTube for about 2 months now, but I've really been enjoying her content she's been putting out here lately. But anyways, yeah, so I got this, and if you see it at your local TJ Maxx and you wonder if it's like good quality, it is. I really loved it. It's really great if you like shimmer or glitter in your life in color. You will love this palette. It's only got what, 3 mattes, I think? No, 2 matte. 3 mattes. The purple one, which is Fantasy, Desert Vibes, and Young and Free. And then the rest is shimmer or glitter shades. Are metallic. The next 2 things I am putting in a giveaway. It's not the one that I have recently uploaded on my channel. I did upload a it's supposed to be like my 2,000 subscriber giveaway, but it's a Christmas giveaway because as of that moment right then when I uploaded that video, I didn't hit 2,000. I do have a giveaway going on right now, and I uploaded that video November 25th, and it will stay open until Christmas Day. So you have plenty of time to enter that. I'll put a little card right here talking about that, and it also will be at the end of this video along with in my description box below. But this one's not going in that giveaway, but I'm working on my next one. I'll probably put like a New Year's giveaway, but it'll be after New Year's. I don't know how I'm going. It's going to be like a January giveaway, and then be at the end of January when that's uploaded. I intend on doing it once a month, but anyways, this is the Anastacio Glow Kit. I believe this palette is originally $40, but I got it for $19.99. Yeah, here's what I got it for. But the original site, they're still being sold at Ulta, and they're going for 40 bucks, I believe. 30 or 40 bucks, I can't remember. Did open it up just to see if it was tampered with. It didn't appear to be tampered at all. I really can't tell if people mess with it unless they really dig into it. But it didn't look like anybody tampered with it. It does have the sleeve still in it and everything. So I did check it out to make sure it wasn't broke or anything, but it didn't look like anybody's messed with it. So I just left the sleeve on there and bought it. As long as I don't, like, for some reason want to play with this myself, it'll be in my next giveaway. And the next thing, the final thing that I got from my first TJ Maxx haul was the Real Techniques Bold Metals collection, the Diamond Sponge. I really debated on keeping this one too, but I haven't yet. So this might be in my next giveaway. But yeah, it is originally like... It says it's originally $5, but I got it for $3.99. But I believe they go for more than that. But, you know, pretty good deal. I wanted it anyways. Now, the one from today is the big one. But, okay. So, this is the Bareminerals Go Nude or Make a Statement. It's an 8-piece collection of mini Gin Nude Radiant and Mini Statement Luxe Shine Lipsticks. So this is what the lipsticks look like that's in there. And here they are with their names. So you got Kitty Tease XOX, Alpha, Love, Spritzy Red, Mantra, NSFW, whatever that means. But yeah, they look like some shades that I would really like. You got your more of a deeper, bolder lip right here. And then you have your reds and my basic, you know, the basic nude. So I personally would love to have this in my collection, but I'm not sure if I'll open it for myself or not. But this is a $35 value, as you can see here. And I got it for $16.99. So that was a great deal. The next thing, I actually didn't find it in the box, but they actually got a box for me, but it's destroyed. So if this goes in my giveaway, my future giveaway, I'll just probably take it out of the box. But I did open it up just to see if it had that safety seal on it, and it was still on there, and it didn't appear to be tampered with at all. So that is a good thing. But this is the Bareminerals Deluxe Mineral Veil Finishing Powder, and it is the original. I heard their original is a lot better than their others, so it's supposed to be good for all kinds of skin types. And it says compare at $22, and I got it for $12.99. But here it says $38, so yeah, I just threw away the box because the box is like trashed. But this is what the product looks like. And there's the inside. And I did look it up online, and it said this color is supposed to be for anybody and everybody. That's why I thought it would be like a great thing to put in a giveaway. The next one I have already used, I actually used it today, is the Pacifica Essential Makeup Removing Wipes in Jasmine and Coconut Water Facial Towelettes, all skin types, and it smells really good. Yeah, it smells a little bit floral, but not overpowering. I will say it's kind of hard to open. You got to do like a whole lift kind of effect. You can't just pull it open, and when you close it, you got to kind of push it down like up ways and out and down. I don't know. It's kind of weird, but I think I saw that this is originally like a $6 product at like Target, and I got it for $3. This is a brand I never heard of, but I did recently download an app. I forgot what the app is called, but Rescue is Love is what turned me onto it. She is a great YouTuber too. I'll put a card of her video right here so you can check out the video I'm talking about, but it's like a app that where you can scan any type of beauty product or other products too, bath and body care and other kind of stuff, to see if it's cruelty free or not. It tells you if it is or is not cruelty free, and it'll say I don't know sometimes, and you can like basically let the company know that you're interested in wanting to know if it's cruelty free or not, and you can see if it's not, you can actually kind of do a little action to show that you're like boycotting that brand. But anyways, so I used that app to find out if this was cruelty free or not, because I never heard of it before, but apparently they sell it at Ulta. I just never paid attention to it. I don't even know how to pronounce this. Andalou Naturals, I'm not sure. Micellar one-step facial cleansing swipes, age defining moisten towelettes, basically a makeup remover, I guess, but that's what that looks like. And I believe this was originally like $5 or $6, and I got it for $3. TJ Maxx is a great place to find makeup remover towelettes for like $3 or somewhere around there. So if you ever don't want to pay the normal price tag on makeup removers, then go to your local TJ Maxx. They have all kinds of brands all the time on makeup wipes, and it's really not hard to find good prices on makeup wipes at your local TJ Maxx. This one I am going to put in the giveaway just because I wanted to put a makeup remover wipes in the giveaway. And this is the Acure brand. I had tried this in my past Thrive Market hauls. Yeah, I never tried this thing before, but I do like the Acure brand. It's incredibly clear Acne towelettes. There's 30 in this, and I believe these are originally like $7, and I got them for $3. I got 2 of the Kat Von D Studded Kisses lipsticks, and I got the colors Coven and Baja 5. I'm not sure how to, what that's really called. But this is the colors, and they're originally $19 a piece, and I got these for $3 each. I will say this was like extra clearance. As you can tell, the packaging is pretty bad, but I did like pop open the lipstick just to make sure no one swatched it or dinged it, and these lipsticks are in perfect condition, and I thought these was wild and fun colors, so I wanted to include them in my future giveaway. The next thing is I got the Metal Crush eyeshadow singles for Kat Von D, and I got the colors Thunderstruck and Thrasher. This is the colors and what they look like. These are originally $13 a piece, I think I saw, and this one, Thunderstruck, was like $5, and then the Thrasher was $7. I guess one's been there longer than the other. I'm not quite sure why the price difference was the way it was, but I was actually on the lookout for any of these Kat Von D Metal Crush singles anyway, so I didn't really care as long as they didn't look swatched, which I did. Look, I didn't even open it. I just looked through the package because you can clearly tell that they wouldn't messed with at all. So yeah, I was really happy to pick these up. I really love Kat Von D's packaging, and she's cruelty free, so she's okay in my book. Here is the last product I got, and this was a new one for me. I never heard of it before, but that app I was talking about earlier, that Rescue is Love, talked about in her video. I scanned the little barcode right here, and it told me that it was cruelty free, which if I would have looked harder, I was just going crazy with that app, but if I would have looked harder, I would have saw the little bunny. But you know, the app's easier than to look for the bunny. But this is Argan Magic Light Dry Oil Hair Mist. It's a weightless, nutrient-rich for strong, sleek, frizz-free hair. Protects hair from heat styling tools. That's what I was looking for, a heat protectant. That's why I bought this. Reduces blow-drying time, paraben-free. The Moroccan Beauty Secret, 8 fluid ounces. It says compare at $10 and I got it for $6.99. I did look on the website and see the reviews on it and it was rated really good. So I figured I'll pick it up and try it, and I did try it today when I did my hair. I will say it's really nice. Like, you need very little of it because it is oil basically. And I only sprayed it basically like from here down. And then brush through my hair that way, and then I didn't really touch my roots with it because I think it would make my hair oily, but it did work really nice as a heat protectant spray, and I definitely enjoyed it, and I thought it did really good. My hair doesn't look bad. It looks really healthy, especially at the ends of the hair. So yeah, I'm really happy with it, so I'll continue using it. I don't know where you can get these from. I've never even heard of Argan Magic before. But yeah. Alright, that is all of my December TJ Maxx haul of 2018. I hope you enjoyed. I got, what, over $130 worth of makeup and beauty care products. And I don't know how much I saved. Probably that or more, to be honest. But yeah, don't forget about the giveaway that I do got going on my channel. It was uploaded November 25th and it doesn't end till December 25th. So you have plenty of time to enter that. And all you have to do is like, comment, and subscribe on that video. And like I said, there was a note card closer to the beginning of this video. I will also have it at an end card at the end of this video, and it will be in my description box below. So don't forget to check it out, and all you have to do is like, comment, and subscribe on that video. And the more times you comment on my channel of like this video, past videos, or upcoming videos, the greater your chances are of winning that giveaway. And I do plan on doing giveaways monthly on my channel for a good while, maybe, I'm not sure. But yeah, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time, buddies. Bye. This is the Anastacio AURORA. This is the Anastacio AURORA. Buha.